I hear a bird out here that I haven't heard before. I'm trying to see if I can capture him on the video, at least get his sound. There he was. Heard him last several nights. I have no idea what that is. I'm checking now to see what I can see on the video at night. That's the house. There he is again. Looks like he's doing about every 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Once more. Sounds like he's coming from high up in a tree. See if we can get him released once more. Stars are nice tonight. Clouds have cleared off at least somewhat. There he is once again. That'll be it for tonight. Got a good sampling of his calls.